In today's video, I'll show you how to enable content maturity or content restrictions in Roblox. If you want a safer experience or want to control what type of content can be seen on your account, this video will help you step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Now make sure you are logged in to your account. Now, tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, look for Privacy and Content Restrictions option and tap on it. Now tap on Content Maturity option. Now choose the content maturity level you want for your account. Minimal will show the most basic and family-friendly experiences. Mild allows slightly broader content while still keeping things safe. Moderate gives access to more experiences with a wider variety of themes. Restricted is the safest option, showing only the most limited and age-appropriate content for extra security. Select the level that best matches your preference and needs. So that's how you can enable content maturity or content restriction in Roblox. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.